Ever wonder what's like just beyond the horizon of AI? What's like pushing the very boundaries?
Yeah.
Today, we're diving into some of those frontiers.
Yeah.
Not talking about small improvements,
Yeah.
like incremental things, but actual huge leaps.
Yeah, it's like standing at the edge of like a new era.
Oh, wow.
And one of the most exciting things has got to be quantum AI.
Okay.
Imagine like solving problems that would take supercomputers thousands of years in just seconds.
That sounds like sci-fi.
It kind of does, but Google's Willow quantum chip
Okay.
is making that a reality.
But how?
It's like giving AI the keys to like a computational universe.
So how would that play out in like the medical field?
Let's take protein folding. A quantum AI could map out the structure of proteins super fast, and that'll lead to breakthroughs in drug design.
For like Alzheimer's.
Exactly, Alzheimer's cancer.
Wow. So instead of decades of research, we could have almost instant solutions.
Exactly.
Wow.
The implications for like personalized medicine, climate modeling, material science, they're huge.
Oh, wow.
Of course, there are challenges like quantum decoherence and error correction.
I see.
It's kind of like building a house of cards in a hurricane,
Oh.
but the potential is so big that the scientific community is pushing forward like crazy.
That's pretty exciting to think about those rewards.
Yeah.
What else is out there that's caught your eye on the frontier?
Have you heard of OpenAI's Sora?
No.
It's an AI that can make videos from text descriptions.
Oh, wow.
So imagine you type a majestic lion surveying the African savanna at sunset.
Okay.
And then Sora makes a video that looks totally real.
Oh, wow. That's incredible.
It's like having a whole studio in your computer.
Yeah.
It really changes how we can make videos.
Uh-huh.
Filmmakers, educators, anyone can bring their ideas to life.
That's amazing.
And Sora's kind of pushing the boundaries of art itself.
How so?
It makes us rethink what being creative means.
Oh.
When AI can make images and tell stories that were once just for us.
So what happens to traditional artists? Yeah, like in this new landscape.
It's definitely a disruption.
Yeah.
But maybe it's an opportunity for collaboration.
Okay.
Maybe artists can partner with AI and make even more amazing work.
Interesting.
It's early to tell, but that's part of the fun.
Yeah.
The frontier's full of possibilities.
Yeah, for sure.
Speaking of uncharted territory,
Yeah.
what about AGI?
Artificial General Intelligence.
Yep.
So that's AI with human-level intelligence.
Right.
And can, like, learn and apply knowledge across tasks.
Exactly. The holy grail of AI research.
Yeah.
To create intelligence like ours.
Big potential.
Huge potential for good. And also challenges.
Okay, so what are some of those?
Well, some think AGI could solve climate change or poverty.
Oh, wow.
But others worry we won't be able to control it.
I see. Yeah, that's a big concern.
Yeah, it's vital to proceed carefully and with foresight.
Right.
Like, imagine an AGI designed to optimize energy consumption.
Okay.
It might make sense to it, but have bad consequences for us.
Right.
So we have to align AGI development with human values from the beginning.
So how do we ensure that happens?
It's complex.
Yeah.
There's no easy answer.
Oh, bad.
But it involves strong ethical frameworks.
Okay.
Dialogue between researchers and policymakers, and maybe even new global governance.
Wow.
We're basically writing rules for a future we can barely imagine.
That's daunting.
It is.
But the potential of AGI is so big.
Huge.
It seems like a challenge worth taking on.
It absolutely is.
It's a journey that demands like our best minds.
Absolutely.
And our deepest ethical consideration.
For sure.
So from theoretical intelligence,
Right.
let's shift to space exploration.
Okay.
I hear AI is playing a big role there.
It is.
How so?
Imagine AI as our assistant in space,
Okay.
analyzing data from telescopes and probes, searching for things we might miss.
So like new planets.
Exactly, new planets.
Yeah.
Maybe even signs of life.
That's amazing.
AI is perfect for this. It can find subtle correlations in data, like faint signals that could be an exoplanet,
Wow.
or maybe even signs of life.
That's mind-boggling.
It is.
What about space colonization?
Oh, yeah.
Could AI help us with that?
Absolutely.
Oh.
Resource management navigation,
Okay.
designing habitats, maybe even terraforming planets to make them more livable.
So we're at the beginning of like a truly interplanetary era,
I think so.
and AI is our companion on this journey.
I think that's a good way to put it.
Wow.
The challenges are huge. The distances are vast. There's so much we don't know.
Right.
But with AI, the possibilities are endless.
Okay, so let's bring it back down to earth now.
Okay.
But keep our focus on innovation.
All right.
I hear AI is making big waves in material science.
It is.
Yeah.
It's revolutionizing how we design materials.
Yeah.
Think of it as like microscopic alchemy,
Oh.
with AI as the alchemist.
I'm intrigued. How does it actually work?
Okay, so imagine an AI looking at a database of materials,
Right.
learning how their atoms and properties are related.
Mm-hmm.
Then it uses that knowledge to
Yeah.
predict how new combinations will act,
Why?
essentially designing new materials.
So we could create, like, stronger, lighter materials.
Exactly. Stronger, lighter, more conductive,
Right.
even self-healing materials.
That opens up so many possibilities.
It really does.
Yeah, like what?
Like AI-designed superconductors
Okay.
that could revolutionize energy,
Uh-huh.
make it so efficient.
Wow.
We could be less reliant on fossil fuels.
That'd be amazing.
Or imagine eco-friendly plastics
Yep.
that break down naturally
Wow.
and help with plastic pollution.
It's amazing to think that AI could help solve these global challenges.
It really is.
It's about using AI for good,
Yeah,
for a sustainable and equitable future.
absolutely.
So from materials to space to AGI,
Right.
it's clear AI is going to reshape the world.
It is.
But we're just at the beginning.
Just the
Yeah, these are just glimpses into the frontiers of AI,
Right.
a taste of the possibilities.
A taste.
And for those who want to explore further,
Yeah.
that's why we're here.
Exactly.
We'll keep diving into AI, uncovering its secrets,
Absolutely.
and navigating its challenges.
Together.
The future of AI isn't something happening to us.
Right.
It's something we're shaping
Yeah.
with every question, every insight, and every step into the unknown.
I like that.
It's a great point to end on for now, but we'll be back to keep exploring.
Looking forward to it. You know, it's amazing to think about how fast AI is changing.
Yeah.
What sci-fi just a few years ago is real now.
It's true. We've talked about a lot in this deep dive.
Yeah.
Quantum computers,
Ah.
AI-generated videos.
Yeah.
It's hard to believe it's all happening at once.
And we've only just scratched the surface.
Right.
So let's take a minute and recap what we've learned so far.
Okay.
We started with quantum AI
Yeah.
and its potential to give us so much processing power.
Like giving AI a turbocharged brain to solve problems regular computers can't.
Right. And as we said, this could revolutionize things like medicine,
Yeah.
speeding up drug discovery and making personalized treatments.
Like treatments tailored to your genes.
Exactly.
Ah, that's amazing.
It is. Then we talked about Sora.
Right. OpenAI's text-to-video AI.
Yeah, the one that blurs the lines between human and AI creativity.
So Sora can make photorealistic videos just from text.
Right.
And that could change filmmaking forever.
Making it so anyone can tell their story.
Imagine filmmakers, educators, even kids making videos easily.
Exactly. And as we discussed, Sora makes us ask,
Yeah.
what does art even mean now?
Right.
And what about the role of artists when AI can make amazing visuals?
It's a whole new world of collaboration
It is.
where human imagination and AI come together.
It's exactly to make something even better.
That's really interesting.
And we talked about AGI.
Right. Artificial general intelligence.
The quest for AI that's as smart as humans or even smarter.
It's both exciting and scary.
It is, the benefits are huge, but so are the risks.
And we have to make sure AGI is developed ethically,
That's the key.
with its goals aligned with ours.
Exactly. It's a challenge for all of us.
Right, for researchers, policymakers, and everyone, really.
We can't just let this powerful intelligence loose.
Yeah, we need rules.
We need ethical guidelines and safeguards.
Absolutely, to make sure AI benefits all of humanity.
Not just some people.
Exactly. Then we went to space,
Yeah.
where AI is becoming so important for exploration, from analyzing data to maybe even colonizing other planets.
Exactly. AI is opening up new frontiers.
Imagine AI as our guide in space,
Yeah.
taking us to new planets, showing us the mysteries of the universe.
Even helping us find alien life.
Wow, that's awe-inspiring.
And finally, we came back to Earth,
Right to material science.
where AI is changing how we make things.
AI is analyzing how atoms are structured
Yeah.
and how that relates to their properties.
Exactly. And using that to design new materials.
Superconductors, eco-friendly plastics, endless possibilities.
Exactly. So we've seen the most exciting frontiers of AI.
We have. It's been quite a journey.
But why should anyone care about all this?
Yeah, that's a good question. How does it affect our lives?
Right. These advancements aren't just happening in labs.
They're happening now, and they're going to change everything.
How we work, communicate, learn, create.
How we solve problems, how we see ourselves in the universe.
AI is going to affect everything we do.
It's not just robots and algorithms.
It's about pushing the boundaries of what humans can do,
Using AI to solve climate change, disease, poverty.
exploring new knowledge, being more creative.
AI will change the world.
It will. The question is, how will we shape that change?
Are we going to just watch it happen?
Or are we going to be part of it and make sure AI helps everyone?
We need to be informed, engaged, and ready for what's coming.
Absolutely. We need to embrace the opportunities, but be aware of the risks.
It's an exciting time to be alive.
It is.
A time of huge technological and societal change.
That's why we do this deep dive.
Yeah, we want you to be part of the conversation.
To think about AI and help shape its future.
Because the future of AI isn't happening to us.
Right.
We're all creating it together.
Now, as we look to the future of AI,
Yeah.
there's something I find really interesting.
Well, I love it when you get that look in your eye.
What?
That thoughtful look.
Oh, okay. So with all this talk about algorithms, data, and processing power,
Yeah.
we forget about the human element.
What do you mean?
What does it mean to be human in the age of AI?
That's a deep question.
How will AI change how we see ourselves?
Yeah. How will it change our values, our identities?
Those are big questions.
They are, and I don't think there are easy answers.
I agree, but it's a conversation we need to have.
Absolutely, one that goes beyond just the technical stuff.
Right to the core of what it means to be human.
I want to explore that more.
And that's what we'll do in the last part of our deep dive.
Okay.
We'll look at the philosophical and societal implications of AI
Wow.
and try to answer those big questions about the future of humanity.
It sounds fascinating and maybe a little scary.
It might be, but it's a journey we have to take.
If we want to use AI for good,
Exactly, and make sure it serves humanity.
not the other way around.
Right, so get ready for the next part,
Okay.
where technology meets philosophy,
Wow.
where innovation meets ethics,
Okay.
and where the future of AI and humanity are intertwined.
Welcome back to our deep dive into the frontiers of AI. We're finally here,
Yeah.
ready to explore some pretty captivating and maybe a little unsettling stuff.
Right.
The philosophical and societal implications of AI.
It's one thing to look at AI's capabilities,
Yeah.
like the speed, the precision, how it solves problems.
Uh-huh.
But then there's the question of what it all means for us,
Yeah.
as humans.
Right. How will AI change our relationship with technology
Exactly.
as it gets smarter?
How will it affect our values,
Yeah.
our identities, even our sense of self?
Those are some deep questions.
They are.
So as we navigate this new territory, I think the biggest question is how will AI affect how we see ourselves?
Right. Our identities.
Yeah.
Think about it.
Okay.
A lot of our identity is tied to our work,
Uh,
our skills, our creativity.
right.
What happens when AI can do those things?
Maybe even better than us.
Exactly.
It's something artists, writers, musicians, even programmers are thinking about now.
I know it's not just about losing jobs,
Right.
although that's important.
Yeah, of course.
It's about AI challenging our understanding of what makes us human.
If AI can make art, write music, even code, what does that say about our creativity?
Right. What about our ingenuity?
Yeah.
Our value in this AI-driven world?
It makes us question the idea that humans are somehow exceptional.
It does.
If AI can do so much that we can, what makes us different?
It makes us look deeper
Yeah.
at what really matters about being human.
Like what?
Our empathy, our compassion,
Uh-huh.
our sense of morality,
Okay.
our understanding of what it means to be human.
Yeah.
These are things AI hasn't really grasped yet.
Okay, so our sense of self might be changing, but what about our values?
That's where things get interesting.
How so?
As we use AI more and more
Uh-huh.
to make decisions about medicine, finance, even law,
Okay.
those AI systems will reflect the values of the people who made them.
So you're saying there's a risk of human biases being built into the algorithm,
Exactly. If we're not careful, AI could make existing biases worse.
leading to unfair or even dangerous outcomes
Right. That's why ethics are so important in AI development.
from the beginning to the end.
We need diverse teams of developers.
Okay.
We need to test these systems thoroughly, and we need to keep an eye on them to make sure they're fair.
Unbiased and accountable.
That's right.
It's a good reminder that AI isn't neutral.
It's not.
It reflects our values and goals.
And as we give more power to AI,
Yeah,
we need to make sure it reflects the best parts of humanity.
right, not the worst.
Exactly.
Okay, so let's go even deeper into the philosophy. How could AI change our understanding of consciousness and sentience?
That's a question philosophers and scientists have been asking for ages.
And AI is making it more relevant than ever.
Right. As AI gets more complex,
Yeah.
mimicking how we act and even how we feel,
Uh-huh.
The lines between artificial and real intelligence get blurry.
It makes you wonder, what does it even mean to be conscious?
Yeah.
To have feelings?
To experience the world.
Could AI ever become as sentient as us?
It's a crazy thought.
If AI did become conscious, what would we owe it?
Right.
Would it deserve rights?
Would we have to treat it as an equal?
This is the kind of stuff we used to see in sci-fi.
Yeah. But now it could actually happen.
And we need to start thinking about it now.
Before it's too late.
We need to figure out how to understand and interact with sentient AI
All right.
in a way that's ethical.
Based on empathy and respect.
The future of AI isn't just about technology.
It's not.
It's about exploring new ethical and philosophical territory.
And figuring out what it means to be human in a world full of AI.
So to recap, AI isn't just a technological revolution.
It's a societal and philosophical one, too.
It's making us rethink our values, our identities.
And even what makes us human.
There will be challenges, anxieties.
For sure.
Maybe even people pushing back.
Yeah.
But there's also so much opportunity.
There is.
If we approach AI thoughtfully and ethically,
With a shared goal.
we can use it to create a better world.
A world that's more just and equitable.
And fulfilling.
Exactly.
It's a call to action for everyone
It is.
to be part of this conversation
To ask the hard questions.
and to shape the future of AI so it benefits all of us.
I like that.
That's a great note to end on.
It is.
That's it for our deep dive into the frontiers of AI.
It's been fun.
But the conversation doesn't have to end here.
Right.
Keep exploring, keep asking questions, keep diving deep.
And until next time.
Take care.